Hello everyone, welcome back to Infinity Physics. In the last lecture, we had a discussion about uses of concave mirror and image formation by concave mirror. That is, we have placed object at different places in front of a concave mirror, and we had a discussion in detail about how these kind of images are obtained and how they are using and why we are using these mirrors in this particular cases, right? So here we will discuss about image formation by convex mirror. But before that, please watch the previous videos so you can understand the concept. So here in the picture you can see there are two mirrors. One is a flat mirror and another is a convex mirror. The convex mirrors are those mirror whose reflecting surface is bulging outwards. So here a person is standing in front of a convex mirror, and in the flat mirror the size of his image is same as compared to its original size, but here you can see he appears diminished, that is smaller compared to his original size. And also the image obtained inside the mirror, right? So when we obtain the image inside the mirror, that kind of images are called virtual image, because they are not obtained in the real world, they cannot be obtained on the screen. So that kind of images are called virtual image. So here I have placed object at a very far distance, and that distance we call infinity. Infinity means compared to the size of the object and the mirror, if the distance is very large, then that kind of distance we call infinite. So when the object is at very far distance, the rays from the object are coming parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection they get diverged. Diverged means they are moving in different direction, they will not meet. In case of concave mirror, we have seen that when the rays are falling, they converge and they get focused at a particular point. Hence here the rays are meeting, but in case of a convex mirror, rays are not meeting, they are diverging. Hence this mirror is also called a divergent mirror. So if you trace back these diverging rays, right, whenever the rays are diverging, we have to trace them back behind the mirror. So when we trace them back, we obtain its virtual image, because actually the image rays are not meeting here, they appear to meet at that point, actually they are diverging. So as they appear to meet, we get our image at the focus behind the mirror. Also the focus of the convex mirror lies behind the mirror, because it's a virtual focus. So the image we get here, it is virtual and erect, and the size is highly diminished. Virtual means it is behind the mirror, we cannot obtain it on screen, and erect means it is upright. Now let's discuss the next case. So here from the infinite distance we have moved towards the pole. See here, in case of concave mirror, this mirror, the center and focus all lies in front of the mirror. But in case of this convex mirror, you can see that the focus and center lies inside the mirror. And inside the mirror, we cannot place object, right? So we have to place object between infinity and pole. So in the first case we have placed the object at infinite distance, and now at any point between these 2 points, that is at infinity and pole, we are placing the object at any point. So here only we have two cases. One, we have placed the object at infinite distance, and in the other case we are placing the object at any point between the infinite and pole. So here first ray from the object is coming parallel, and the parallel rays diverges from the focus. Another ray which is directed towards the center, after reflection it reflects back in the same direction. Again we get divergent ray, so we have to trace them back. So we have traced this divergent ray and they are meeting at this point. So when they are appear to meet, we get a virtual image. So we have obtained the virtual image of the object behind the mirror. So the position of the image is between pole and focus, and image is virtual because it is behind the mirror, and is erect because it is upright, and it is diminished compared to the size of the object. So here you can see that a car is coming and we are seeing that car in our rear view mirror, that is in the side mirror. You can see the mirror is smaller and the car is totally seen in the mirror. It means the car is larger, but we can see its smaller diminished image in the mirror. So the image is diminished, right? Now let's discuss some uses. Here also you can see same kind of mirror is placed in the supermarket. So the diameter of the mirror is approximately 60 centimeter or maximum 80 centimeter. In 60 to 80 centimeter, whole supermarket is covered. It means the image of the supermarket is diminished inside the mirror. Here I have listed some of the uses of convex mirror. So we can see that it is used as a security purpose in supermarket. So here there is a supermarket. In that supermarket, a convex mirror of diameter 60 centimeter to 70 centimeter is installed, and in that convex mirror you can see the whole supermarket. That is, the person sitting on the counter can see the whole supermarket and can watch whatever going in the supermarket and what the workers are doing. So everything is going smoothly or not, he can watch from this mirror. Similarly, it can be also used as a street light reflectors. How it is used in street light reflector? You can see here there is a street light in which the light is coming from it and which is spreading in all the direction. So how it is possible? See here, there is a street light, right? And in street light there is a convex mirror we have placed. So here we have placed a convex mirror, and here is our lamp. So from the lamp light is coming like this, and some of the amount of light is falling on the convex mirror. So whatever the amount of light falling on the convex mirror will get diverged and the light will spread in all the direction. So it is used as a street light reflector. Similarly, here it is used as a side view mirrors in vehicle. So here a mirror is installed inside of a car, and a very large truck and a road can easily seen in the mirror. So in exam also it is asked that why we use convex mirror in the side view or the rear view mirrors of vehicle. So why we use it? So it is mainly three reason. First, it provides the wider field of view. See, a small mirror is covering a very large area, a very large truck, a whole road is covered in the mirror. So we can say it provides a wider field of view or a larger field of view. Second reason, it provides erect image. See, the truck is erect, it is not inverted. So it provides the erect image, and it is also provide the smaller image of the truck. Now let's see the another use of convex mirror. It is used in telescopes. So here they are called reflecting telescope. Here also there is a telescope. So it is the sketch of the telescope. So here you see the concave mirror. So whatever the light from the stars, the light rays are coming parallel. So all these rays, after reflecting from a concave mirror, they fall on this secondary mirror, and this secondary mirror is painted from this side. So it is reflecting from this side. So the curved surface is outward, right? The reflecting surface is curved outward. So this mirror is a convex mirror, and this convex mirror then again reflects the light in our eye, and we can see the planet or a star. Similarly, they are also put on the corners of the roads so that you can see any cars coming to avoid collision. So here there is a sharp turn, right? So on the sharp turn on the corners, there we have placed a convex mirror. So this mirror that you are seeing in the picture, it is placed at this corner. So whenever we are taking turn, it's actually this mirror is larger. So whenever we are taking turn, we can see that something is coming or not, so that we can avoid some collisions or accident. Also it is used as a security cameras and in CCTV. Here you can see in the picture that there is a camera, in which there is a convex mirror that is bulging outward. Why we are using insecurity camera? It is the same reason, because it provides a wider field of view. In normal CCTV camera, the view is smaller, so you have to install two cameras. But in case of a convex mirror type CCTV camera, the mirror covers the wider view, and hence with use of only one camera we can see the whole room. If you like my lecture, please share it, subscribe it, and whatever you are having feedback, please type in the comment so I can